put the mould on there or the brick?
Oh, the whole lot.
Right.
Yeah.
I think that's it. Close that for a sec. Right, tippy feet.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Let's get the door out anyway.
Yeah. Just go for it.
Yep.
Oh, that's heavy. Should get that back in.
Yeah, could do. Did you see metal coming up the vent?
Yeah, I can see metal, yeah.
Brilliant.
Let's close that. Yeah, my paw doesn't turn out very well.
No.
That's going to be a fancy piece of metal.
Gonna be your job to sew it back up in the furnace.
That went in alright. Bit that's broken off. Are we going to try and chip it first, or?
No, it definitely wants to come.
I'll go get
Be
this.
cool before.
Oh yeah, it is, isn't it?
That looks promising.
Just falls apart.
Good.
You see the colour of the aluminium on there.
Get a bit more water on it, 'cause that metal will be hot as hell, so.
Starting to rain.
Yeah.
Do you want to go inside now that we don't have to be brutal with it?
Okay.
Wow. It's missed a bit.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That curl there.
Bollocks. Hold up for the camera. We didn't get enough mantling quick enough. This should have come right to the top.
Right. That must have been the two bits you could see at the bottom then.
Well, I don't know how we saw to, because they're joined together just like they do at this end,
Yeah.
and go into one sprue that is
Right.
supposed to come level with that.
For a first attempt though.
Yeah, I'm not too down-eyed. It's one thing that I did only just think about though.
Yeah.
If we open that back up,
Don't drip any water in there. Can't get that in.
I really need to limit the size of my filler holes to smaller than that though.
Yeah. Well, now we know what it's like to par. We can probably just put a 20mm hole or something in there.
No, because it's the weight of that that forces it up the other side.
Yeah.
So the more mass you put in,
Yeah.
but we could make this overall length longer
Yeah.
so that it's got higher.
It's just like gravity fed, isn't it?
Yeah.
Looks pretty bloody good.
It's not too bad that, like.